You're welcome once more to my YouTube channel. I am Coach John Ibe, but my YouTube channel is J.SMART-DIGITALS. If you have not yet subscribed to this channel, I don't really know your problem. Alright, this design here is very simple. Like it's just a simple flyer that I decided to create. You get so but this design is very funny because it's very simple, but it took me time. Like I wasted time, but there is no challenge. So I'll be imparting the knowledge to you now. You just have to pay attention so that you learn it step by step. And if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, like up till now, you are still watching this video, well, I don't know what to say. Well, all I can tell you is that you may not understand it, sha, but try to subscribe, okay? All right, let us hit the point without wasting much of your time. All right, the first thing you have to do, let me clear this design. Let me delete this design. Go to assist and delete this design, okay? So I've deleted it, right? So now let me choose the size I'll be making use of. I'll be making use of 1580 and the 1380. All right, that's the size I will be making use of. Now the next thing I'm to do is to bring in the background that I'll be making use of. I'll be using this background. Yeah, this background is good, so I'll be making use of it. So this is the background, so I have to lock it, and after locking it I have to bring in an image. I gave an introduction to graphics design, so if you don't know, okay, let me just bring in this design so that I'll be looking I'll be modeling from it. So if you have not watched my introduction to graphics design, please kindly watch it so that you'll be able to understand what exactly I did. You get? All right, you know what to do. So the next thing you have to do is to bring in a shape. You see this shape, you can turn it to circle, right, by going to radius and increasing radius. Yeah, so with that you'll be able to get a very nice one. Now the next thing you have to do is to turn this. Okay, I'll be making use of this color, this particular color. Yeah, that's the color I'll be making use of. So now after such, you come over to this side, go to look for what's it, let me look for it. Okay, look for texture. Okay, this is texture, you can see it here, right? Let me show you. This is texture. So look for texture, look for that image that you want to. This kind of power clip, in CorelDRAW we call it power clip. So this is the lady that we'll be making use of. So you can just come to 1x1 square and increase it a bit. Okay, so sometimes this thing usually disturb, you get? So that is it. Now it has come up. So now I want to tell you something. If you are doing it and the thing is still maybe is not power clipping, so all you have to do is delete that circle. Please pay attention. Delete that circle and bring in another circle, then use it to power clip it. Okay, so you go to where texture and you'll be able to power clip. So go to stroke. Let me see whether stroke we do. Oh, okay, stroke is working. Yeah, so increase the stroke. Okay, increase the stroke. Very fine. So after increasing the stroke, then the next thing you have to do is just to bring in a shape. Maybe this particular, okay, this particular shape, you are turned to the color, to this color. So you can then bring this one up here, or you can bring it down here. So place it in the middle. Now before then, place this one in the middle. Go to relative position, place it in the middle. So come back to this one, place it also in the middle. Okay, so make sure that you get it right. Okay, so that it will be as if there is another stroke there. All right, so after such, you lock both. You do what? You lock both. So but before locking, make sure you check whether they are the center. I don't know whether you're getting me. So you can see they are good, right? So now you place it at the center as well. Now before then, after placing it, you can just bring in a shape, a circle shape. You turn this radius to 100, increase the shape. This is very very simple, like one of the simplest designs so far. So change this thing to blue, then bring this one up here. Are you seeing what I'm doing right? You are seeing what I'm doing right? Decrease it a bit. Okay, so that is it. Then let me bring this one to front so that I'll be able to see what I'm doing. You get? So that is that. So after then, you can give it a shadow. Yeah, a shadow. So you come over to stick. I told you the easiest way to maybe give a background shadow or maybe blur image is by going to stick. I told you, right? So then after such, you lock the three stickers. You lock them. Okay, so you lock it. So please pay attention why bringing in this sticker. Don't uh just, if you bring it, you drop it. If you bring it out, you drop it. Okay, don't minimize. Okay, so then go to this place, change it to black. Are you getting me? Change it to black. You can just decrease this a bit. So change it to black. Then bring this one, bring it down here. Okay, so bring it down there. Okay, and so that it will look more nice. Okay, so after such, you can put a shadow to that stick as well, so that it will be more good. Very fine. So then after such, decrease it a bit. Okay, so that should be okay by now. All right, then after such, you just have to, maybe you copy this one because we are still going to use it here. Decrease it, decrease it. So bring it, use this one, a position, to position it very well. I don't know whether you're getting me. So position it very well. Okay, okay, let me just bring it down, bring it down. Okay, that should be okay, that should be okay. So then after such, you type plus one, right? Plus one. You can see it, right? So after typing plus one, change it to black. Okay, then change the font of that plus one. Change the font to, let me say, Roboto. I'll be making use of Roboto. You get? So using Roboto regular, no, Roboto condense should be okay. Okay, Roboto bold italic should be okay. So after such, you place this one down, use position and position it down. Are you seeing it? Because if you are using your hand now, it may not be working very well. So use positioning to position it very well. So then after such, this thing I'm teaching you just a secret. Okay, so pay attention to it and see, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel and you are still viewing this thing, let me see how that thing will enter. And the problem there is that after teaching you all these things, because you did not subscribe, then you see a lot of my students will still be asking me, coach, how did you do this in my DM? It's just because, do you know the reason? The reason there is just because they did not subscribe. Because I didn't even subscribe, they will not encounter such. All right, so but there's no challenge. If you like, subscribe. Oh, if you like, don't subscribe, that one concern you. So miss, then change it, use black, right? Then use Roboto, the same Roboto that we use. Okay, so I'll be making use of the same roboto. Let us check it. Roboto, this one should be okay. Means right. Not this one, please. Not this one. I love that robot. I will make use of it next time. I love it. I've not even seen it. So okay, this one should be okay. So decrease it. Decrease the size. Miss. Then you can just bring in something here. Bring in something here. Okay. Bring in something. Change it to black. Change the color to black. So after changing it to black, you can just still use your position. Okay. Use your position to position you very well. So that should be okay. Okay. So now after such, you can just duplicate it. Okay. Then come over here. Write Rita confidence. I will be telling you the font that I use here. Now the name of the font that I use here is called let me show you. Maybe I have forgotten the name, sorry. Let me show you. This is the font. Let me look for it. Okay, I'll be making use of this particular font. This Destin Dem or thereabout. So that's the font I'll be making use of. So Rita confidence. Okay, so Miss Rita confidence. So after such, all you have to do is what you come over to bold and bold it. Okay, very fine. So then you have to type other things. So it's very simple. Maybe you can just type may God bless you and bless you abundantly and keep you safe in all ramification. So that is that. You can just write that one. Then decrease it. Okay, decrease the size, decrease it a bit. Then place it in the middle. Go to center, centralize it. Alignment, go to alignment. So align it very well. Decrease it small. So you can just bring this one up. You get, I don't know whether you get see me. If you like, don't pay attention. The place I will be having problem now is with you is whenever you ask me a question on my DM. If you like, don't pay attention. So that is it. You have to bring in this icon here. So this resources is also good. Please, the color is the same thing. So you can see what I'm doing, right? Just come over here and write 30th of November 2025. Are you seeing it? So all you have to do is you increase it. Sorry. Okay, that should be okay. So you come over here and you change the color to white. Then as well, come to your, maybe the font. Maybe if you don't like that font, if it's me, I will just change it to maybe this font. There is a font that I saw that time. All right, let me just take this one. Yeah, this one is also good. So after that, you just have to type birthday. You know how to type birthday now. If you don't know how to type birthday, well, I don't know what to say actually. So birthday, you can just change it to capital letter. So increase it the more. Then come over to bold, come to style, click on this one. Look at this one here. Let me show you. let me show you. Look at this one here, this one. So click on it so that it will change the style, so you can see that the thing has blend. So that is that. Then come over here, bring in a shape, any shape of your choice, use mask and mask it. Come over to mask, use mask and remove the part that you don't want to. Let me just, I may not be too professional here just because I've already done it. So but let me just try something. Okay, maybe let us just use this one. Okay, so after such, you type happy here, happy. So that is that. So I believe that I'm done with this design. Okay, so now the next thing you have to do is just to save it up. Then I will tell you the application that you'll be making use of. So let me just save it up. I'll tell you the application that you'll be making use of to make it to look more presentable and stunning. Okay, so sorry, come to here, bold it as well, or make it to be capital letter. So then you can just save it. Okay, okay, sorry, this one here, this this one here, make it to be, put a shadow there. Okay, put a shadow there. So why this one here, put a stroke there, put a stroke there to make it to look more realistic. So after such, you just have to do what, you save it, save as what, ultra. So after saving it, you come over to your pixart. This is my pixart. You come over to your pixart, wait for it to load. If you have not yet subscribed and you are still watching to this up to this extent, well, I don't know what to say actually, but do wait to subscribe. Okay, so after such, you just, this is the one that I've already done. So you can see that this is where I edited it. So and it's part of the the applications I told you to download, right? So you can just bring it up. So bring it up and go to enhancer. Just go to enhancer and enhance it. Look for enhancer. At that editing tool, look for enhancer, then enhance it. So that will be the end of today's lesson. Thank you very much for following me up. If you have not yet subscribed, do where to do what, subscribe. Bye.